A blizzard has hit parts of Victoria, with residents warned to prepare for power outages and destruction as damaging winds are expected to lash the southeastern state into the weekend. An intense cold front began moving across Victoria from South Australia on Friday after rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds battered the Adelaide metro area and surrounding areas Thursday night and Friday morning, with tornado warnings issued. State Emergency Service Chief Tim Wiebush warned Victorians to secure loose items around their homes, charge devices and spare batteries, and for those in heavily wooded areas to avoid unnecessary travel.
Dumping, it's super windy, all arvo. A bag of oranges, citrus deep.
A severe polar blizzard is bringing one of the most extensive snow events in recent years to southeastern Australia over the next 24 hours. With air coming directly from Antarctica, the system could even bring flakes of snow within 35 kilometers of 5 capital cities. While the snow is a welcome change in many areas, the winter storm will also bring strong winds and the potential for damage and power outages across much of the state. What distinguishes this event from a typical winter storm is that the fast-moving air mass moving north toward Australia originates along the Antarctic coastline, rather than the Southern Ocean. The coldest air will move across South Australia on Friday night, potentially bringing snow to elevations above 800 meters in the southern Flinders Ranges and above 700 meters in the higher Mount Lofty Ranges. Polar air will then sweep across the eastern states overnight, dropping snow levels to around 600 meters in Victoria, 700 meters in NSW, and 300 meters in Tasmania. With such low snow levels, snowflakes are likely to be on the doorsteps of Canberra, Hobart, Melbourne, Sydney, and possibly Adelaide. In NSW, this includes Orange, Lithgow, Oberon, the Monaro towns, and possibly even around Bowral and Goulburn, plus the northern towns of Guyra and Walca. For Victoria, snow is likely around Trentham and Omeo, but some snow will fall across the Grampians and possibly on the highest peaks of the Otway and Sturzeletsky ranges. For the mountain regions, snow has been falling for almost 48 hours, and with an additional 40 centimeters possible by Friday night, storm totals could approach 1 meter on the higher slopes. Across Tasmania, snow will fall near sea level overnight, although a repeat of the 2015 event that brought snow to Hobart beaches is unlikely.
A bag of oranges, citrus deep. Yeah.